Hello everyone, welcome to the Options Trading Beginners to Advanced course. My name is Vijay and I am from Ask VSK. I will be the instructor for this course and I would like to take time to congratulate all of you who have enrolled in this course to learn options trading from the basics to the advanced concepts in a systematic way. And once you learn all these concepts here, the more you practice and learn from small mistakes, not the big ones, okay, you will be very successful in generating wealth from doing the options trading. Okay, the ultimate goal of this course is to make you self-sufficient in doing the options trading without relying on external inputs for your daily trades, and you should be able to judge what is your next move in order to be successful doing the options trading. Okay, so let's get started and get into the course.